Hello my dear students, this is Govind Jha and you are welcome in the online platform of TAPS. Just pay attention and just have a look what I've just brought for you all. It's written already on the board, you must be getting this. The name of the topic, it is associative property and it is called grouping property also. I will tell you later why it is called grouping property also. It is for class 6 mathematics, and the chapter name is whole numbers and it is from NCERT. I must tell you. So 2-3 properties video I have just already made and it is uploaded on that site. You can just check it. The first one video is for closure property. The second video I have just made for commutative law or commutative property. One of the video is made for distributive property also. It is made, you can check there. And this is the last one property, that is what that is associative property. So let me explain this, and I have just told you already, we will check for 4 operations. We check for addition operations, we check for multiplication operations, we check for subtraction operations, and we check for division operations. And this is also well understood for everybody. Most of the property is followed for only 2 operations, and the operations is addition and multiplication. You have seen that closure was also followed for addition as well as multiplication. Distributive property, it was for over addition and over subtraction, it was discussed already. Thereafter you have seen that commutative property, that was also followed for addition and multiplication operation only. It is not followed for subtraction and division. In the same manner, this is also followed for addition and multiplication operation. So first I will check for addition, thereafter for multiplication, and thereafter the rest subtraction and division operation. So let me write this for 4 operations we are going to check: plus, minus, multiply or divide. These are the 4 mathematical operator. One by one through each operation I will just check this property, and it is for whole number, you must know this. So what is the property, associative property or grouping property? First I told you why it is it is called grouping property. Grouping property also, why it is called? Because in this we will see the group, we will find group, so it is called grouping property. And what is the property? Let me read. It is written for the addition operation. I am going to check it. The operation is when we change in the group, sum remains constant or fixed. It's very simple. Means when you make change in the group, suppose who are the first, let me tell you about the group, who are the members of the group. There is a group, in that group 3 members are there, A, B and C. These 3 are the member, and these all are whole numbers. These all are whole numbers. So A is also whole number, B is also whole number, and C is also whole number. If you write anywhere like that, A plus, actually it is for addition operation, so plus operation will be there, A plus B, let me write first, B plus C. Now you see 3 whole numbers I have taken and I have added all together. Thereafter what to do? If suppose I just put a bracket here and B and C became the member of the bracket, means in the small bracket B and C is placed, B and C is added, and A is standing outside. So this can be written as what this can be written as A plus B plus C, and here who are the member of the group, you can see B and C is in the group. Here I will take A and B in the group and C is outside standing. So here you see, out of these 3 members, these 2 are inside the group, I mean to say inside the bracket, and here these 2 are inside the bracket. Here A was standing outside, here C is standing outside, but this is only the property, associative property. And for addition operation, so addition sign is involved in between. Now you must be thinking, what sir has written A, B, C, D, we are not understanding that. Okay, no problem. Let us take an example, and I will make you understand how to just solve this question by using this property. And in the number, if you place this property, then how it will be written. Suppose in the place of A I will take 2, in the place of B I will take 3, and in the place of C I will take 4. So these 3 are whole numbers. And how to arrange, how to write? You see, in the same manner we have to write. A, so A is what? 2 plus B, B is what? 3, and plus C is what? 4. So now I have written 2 plus 3 plus 4, and I will put a bracket here. So 3 and 4, Now they are present inside the bracket and 2 is standing outside, and with the plus addition operation it is there, because for addition we are checking. Now we can write this statement as like this also, 2 plus 3 plus 4, and now 2 and 3 I will put in bracket and 4 is standing outside, and this is associative property. And sir, how can you say that? Why you are saying this is associative property? You find now what I have written here. When you change in the group, change in the group means what? Those who are the member, I will make change in the member of the group. Here B and C was member and here A was standing outside. Here became A and B became member of the group and C is standing outside. So when we change in the group, so you have seen the change, what change I have made here. And when you make change in the group, sum remains constant, means you find the sum of this term, LHS I mean to say, and you find the sum of this RHS term. It should be equal. No change means what? It should be equal. Constant means what? What it will come here, the result I mean to say, after adding these all, they should become here also. So it should be constant, it should be fixed, it should be same, means what? What you are going to get here, that should be what? You should get here also. So you add this term first, LHS. You see, as you must be knowing the simplification rule, the rules is simple. If board mass it is there, first process of bracket will be there, and in the bracket a small bracket process will be there. So if you solve this statement 2 plus 3 plus 4, this is bracket here 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 will be added first as per the simplification rule. So it is 3 plus 4, that is 7, and thereafter what? Now we have got the answer of this 3 and 4, so bracket will be over. So 3 plus 4 7, and it is 2 plus 9. So what it has come, you can see here 2 plus 7, that is 9. Now you just do for this side, you do. Now you see what process says. Process says what? In the bracket what are the members or what are the numbers, first we will do that. So 2 plus 3, that is what? 5, and again outside who is standing? 4. So if you do the simplification here, it will come also 9. You can see here the answer which I got here, I get here also. So means what? Answer is matched, means this term can be written as this term, means what? It is okay, because if you write like this, the answer which will come, if you write like this, the same answer will come, answer will match. So this is what I said, that it is followed. So associative law for the whole numbers, it is followed for the addition operation. Now I can make you understand by the another way also. You suppose 3 friends are there and you are going to swim, and suppose on one swim at a time 2 students can sit only, or 2 friends can sit only. So what will happen? 2 will sit together and 1 will be standing outside, and when they both will just come out, they will leave the swinging, thereafter what? The third one will come. So you see, in the same condition, you suppose A, B, C and they are friends. So first B and C are swinging and A is standing, and here A and B. Now after that A and B, they are together, they are just swinging at a time, and now C is standing. So this time A was forcing them, A was pulling or pushing them, and B and C were what? Swinging. And this time A and B is swinging and C is standing outside. So if anywhere it is written A plus in the bracket B plus C, we can write it A plus B in the bracket plus C as outside. And this is followed. Why? Because if you do the process of this LHS and RHS, the answer has come same. So this is only associative property for addition operation. Now you check for multiplication, nothing to do that, only the operation sign will be changed. Here addition was there, so addition sign was involved. Now for multiplication we have to see, so in the place of addition, multiplication symbol will be there. And only in the same manner we have to take any 3 numbers. So I will take 2, 3 and 4 in the place of ABC. So first let me write the statement. A into B into C can be written as A into B into C, both are same. Let me put the bracket. Suppose here A and B in the bracket, they are swinging at a time and C is pulling or pushing them. Then in this another condition, now you see they are friends, closer friends. Now C is standing outside. Now thereafter what will become? They will make a group of B and C, and A will be standing. They will be pushing and pushing. So this is only the associative law for multiplication. A into B in the bracket into C is just equals to A into in the bracket B into C. Now for the number, if you check, how to check this? You see now, you take number 2, 3, 4. I will take 3 whole numbers in the place of A, B, C. Now you put the number as it is given. In the place of A, 2 into 3 into 4 you write. This side also you write 2 into 3 into 4. Now you take here A and B is in the bracket. They are in the bracket. So 2 and 3 will be in the bracket. Here 3 and 4 they are in the bracket and 2 is standing outside. Now you solve it. First bracket process as per simplification. 2 into 3 that is 6 into 4. So what it will come? That will come 24. 6 4s are 24. Now you do this. First process will be there with the bracket. So 3 4s are what? 12 and 12 into 2 that is what? 24. Now you can see what same answer has come or not. So any whole number, whenever you take any 3 whole numbers and if you put in the same manner for addition, it is followed. Answer will be matching. If you put multiplication operation and you check, it will be followed. Means for addition and for multiplication it is followed. You have seen that any number you can take. Suppose you take 3 4 and 5, so you can write 3 into 4 into 5 and equals to 3 into 4 into 5. Now you make the group and change in the group. First 3 and 4 in the group, now 4 and 5 in the group. Find the answer. 3 into 4 that is 12 into 5 that is what? 60. Now you see this 3 into 4 plus 5 that is 20 and 20 into 3 that is what? 60. Now you see the answer has come equal or not. So that is why it is called for multiplication it is followed. And sir, answer has come equal, so it is called followed. Yes, it is called followed. Why? Because the answer has come through the LHS. If you get answer and if you go to find the answer, what answer has come from the LHS, that answer should come from the solving RHS also, and if it comes equal then means it is followed. If it does not come equal then it is not followed. But addition operation and multiplication operation it is followed. Just wait for a little bit time I will take and I will just make you understand. If you want to have the screenshot you can have it. Okay, so now for subtraction operation you can see I will just take a little bit time to erase this and thereafter just wait for a moment. For subtraction also you can see why it is not followed, and for division also you see why it is not followed. You see, as I said in the beginning only, for addition, for multiplication it is followed. So you have seen that. Now for subtraction you see, for subtraction operation if you do, for subtraction operation you see any 3 whole number if you take A, B, C, you write like that. Now you put the bracket here, A minus B you take in the bracket, and here B minus C you take in the bracket. It is not followed. Why I have caused it? It is not equal, because what answer you will get from here, it will not come here. Now let me show you. In the place of A I will take 6, B I will take 5 and C I will take 4. Now you see the numbers. In the place of AB you put 6 minus 5 and minus C, that is 4. Now solve it. 6 minus, in the as per simplification process, first bracket process will be there. So 6 minus 5 that is 1 and 1 minus 4. It is not in class 6 till now, but 1 minus 4 everybody knows it, that is minus 3 will be there. Because 4 cannot be subtracted from 1. So 1 will be subtracted from 4, it will come 3. And from a smaller number you are subtracting a greater number, due to that minus has come. So minus 3 it is there. Now you solve this. So A is what? 6 minus B is what? 5, C is what? 4. Now as per simplification rule, bracket process first. So 6 minus 5 minus 4, that is what? That is 1. So 6 minus 5, that is what? You can see that is 5. Now you see the answer. This was minus 3 and this has come 5. So is it equal? You can see it's not equal. So you can see that answer has not come equal. This shows that, it means that what? This subtraction, for subtraction operation, this grouping property or associative property, you can say it is not followed. So you can understand, not followed. You can understand this. And why it is not followed, I have shown you. You can see, you can check any number, 3 whole number, you can check. It is not like that sir has taken 654, so you will take 654. You can take 100, 200, 300 like that, and you can find through answer through LHS. You have to move in the same manner what I have done here, and in the same manner you have to find the value of RHS by the putting value of ABC, and then you have to check each answer equal. If it is equal, then it is followed, but it will never come equal, because subtraction, for subtraction this property is not followed. Now you see the last one, for division operation. for division. You know this only, this is not followed for division also, but let me check it. So any three number you take, a divided by b divided by c, suppose equals to a divided by b divided by c. This is associative property? No. Until or unless you put bracket and you just arrange like that, it is not associative. Associative property means the numbers, when number comes in group and that group can be changed and the result does not change, that property is called associative property. When the result get changed, this is not followed. So for subtraction result get changed, so it is not followed. For division also you see, now put the bracket. Now put the bracket. So here you see, in the place of any number you take, no, 8, 4, 3, let me take. So 8 divided by 4 divided by 3, you see. Now 8 divided by 4 divided by 3, you write here. First you find the value of LHS. Now you first, as per simplification rule, the process of this small bracket. So if you divide 4 by 3, it will never be divided, it will come in fraction. So 8 divided by 4 by 3, can I write this 4 divided by 3 as a 4 by 3. And now if you find the answer, this division sign will become multiply and this will be reciprocal will be there. So 3 by 4, 4 2 ja 8, answer has come what, 6. You can see answer has come. Here you solve this first bracket process, 8 divided by 4, that is what, 2, and 2 divided by 3, that is what, 2 by 3, it can be written. So you check the answer, this is 6 and this is what, 2 by 3, it has not come equal, so it is called not followed. So you have seen that for subtraction and for division this property is not followed. For addition, as usual, all the properties are followed. This property is also followed for addition operation, for multiplication operation. Why it is followed and why it is not followed, that both you have seen that. When the property will be asked what is the associative property for addition operation, I must make it clear. If property is asked, then you have to say, if we change in the group or if we make change in the group, the sum remains constant. It is for addition. Because sir, how people will understand it is for addition? People will understand. Why? Because if you say when we change in the group, the sum is remains same. Sum means what? Sum means if after adding the number what you get the result, that is called sum. So if you say sum, the person will understand addition is done here. So for addition operation, the property is when we change in the group, the sum remains constant or fixed. This you have to show, and one example you have to show, just like ABC how it will be written, and you have to check. And for multiplication operation you have to say when we make change in the group, product remains constant. Product means what? After multiplying the numbers, what result we get, that is product. So we have to say when we make change in the group, product is remains constant or product is remains fixed. This is what? This is associative property for multiplication. And by this property, the property is over. Thank you. Have a nice day. You have to make practice at home more and more. Thank you. Bye bye.